Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear Temu app cache, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear the cache memory of Temu app, first we'll be required to open the settings of our phone. And after opening settings, guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option over here. And here you can see the apps just above location. Tap on it and this interface will appear. Again, we'll be required to tap on the app management at the top of the screen. And after landing on the app management of your phone, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Temu and search for it and open it over here. And again, after opening the Temu interface on the app info, tap on the storage usage over here just below the data usage, and you can see the cache memory and the clear cache button over here. Now to clear the cache memory of the Temu app, tap on clear cache button over here, and all of the cache memory available from Temu app will be cleared out on your phone. And that being said, guys, this is how to clear cache on Temu app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.